So this is me at the starting of Mountain Spring.
Alright, this is me at the start of Mountain Spring.
So this is me at the top of Mountain Spring, feeling all energetic.
The cup. Okay. Says I got to the end. Alright. The mountain one.
Welcome back to Nature Adventure. I'm Adira. We're here in Mountain Spring, St. Andrew, and I have here with me my friend.
Hi guys, I'm Kasia. Thanks for bringing me along. Let's race.
Come on.
Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of our upcoming adventures. Let's get started. The Mountain Spring Path is a popular local walking route for its scenery, but with its nice paved surface, it's primed for walking and even running.
We'll get to the end. We'll get, I promise.
You might have to carry me.
Maybe. Morning.
For morning.
Nestled in the picturesque hills of St. Andrew, Jamaica, the Mountain Spring Walking or Hiking Path is renowned for its popularity among exercise enthusiasts.
We're here in the wilderness, guys.
Let's see if we can survive.
This scenic trail offers a captivating journey through lush landscapes, dense forests, cascading streams, and a stunning view at the top of the hill. If you want to see that beautiful view from the top of the hill, keep watching. We're almost there.
Oh, look at creek. Oh,
What do you call this one?
I guess a creek is like, it wouldn't be like a spring because it looks creekish.
So you think, I wonder if the water could have drink.
You can try. Please be careful.
Come on, go down there. I drink.
Is it like a swim? Like a chocolate?
I drink. You're crazy.
It's probably cool.
Yeah. Ice cold.
You can also find a few cars going up and down and parked along the hill. Do you like to hike or exercise in nature? Let us know in the comments below.
So this is the advantage of coming to this mountain.
Mm-hmm.
You have water running at the side,
Yeah.
and then you hear birds chirping. Isn't that cool?
I'm going to be honest, I didn't know what to expect because, well, it's a mountain. I haven't really been to much mountains or like nature places like that, so I didn't know what to expect. But I like the vibes. I just saw the water, and I see different. I've been seeing a lot of chickens here, and I was actually shocked that there are so many people here exercising. Just randomly on a Saturday, they got up early and said, "I'm going to come to the mountain and exercise."
Yes.
I like
Should be encouragement.
encouraging.
Mm-hmm.
Something like that.
Fuck you, so you can come again.
Not 5 a.m. A little later.
Although longer than the Portmore Hill in our previous hiking video, Mountain Spring is a far easier challenge, inviting various walkers of all fitness levels.
Kind of bleed a little hard too. What are you supposed to do?
Say you're tired. Say exhausted.
Him go up and come back down. Go up already?
Yeah, man.
The story?
Soonish.
Soonish.
Yeah, next 7 minutes or so.
So I go
Alright.
You next? Sude, you next?
No. I guess probably because you record. Take a longer time.
I'll show you unfit.
Man fit for real. I just have the fit mindset.
Or the fit mindset.
The mindset. There's this thing I'm gonna see this. TikTok I try. Want to try it like for content for the video. The little squats thing.
Is that like a squat up the hill?
No. I just can't stay right there so.
And squat?
And then yeah.
You're running with me.
But kinda want to move from the downhill slope here.
Okay. I'd run with you, but this is one place I can't support you. Like you go on. Good morning.
Morning. I'm your gym instructor. I'll show you.
Alright.
So I'm your gym instructor for today. So I'm gonna show you how you go. Alright. So we're going to position. Oh, we're going to position like this, and then go like this.
Oh God.
Alright, you do good.
Okay. Oh.
No, something I feel like now my leg.
Yeah.
I feel like now my leg.
I think I felt it in my neck. Yeah.
Morning.
Good morning.
Cool, good morning.
Okay. 5 minutes.
5 minutes. Alright.
Oh my God.
Breakdown.
5 minutes into mountain and shit. She's okay. Alright.
I feel like a pro. Cause when I'm good, I feel good about this.
See, I always need persons in your circle to compliment you.
Yeah.
That's our reference for real.
This is not my first time, this is my 5th time.
Okay,
I
ma'am.
joke, actually my 2nd time.
Go up, sis. Alright, we can do it. I can do all things.
Green, green, green. You will find a ton of trees in this forest, ready to provide the coolest shade during certain moments of the walk.
Not lies. The sun is out still. The sun is out. I was trying to brave it all day, but I'm actually kind of low-key cold. You cold too?
Yeah, it is cold.
Whenever they want nasty, that's why I never put on my jacket for a moment still, because everybody naked up here. So you're not cold?
Alright, like how you put on here, I'll put on mine.
Alright.
Wait.
Everybody up here. You know, them look. So whenever they want look too, too bad. So I'm treat bad someone.
Guys, please hit the like button. There's so much more to come.
I'm gonna tell you after.
Alright. Wait, there's more hill.
Yeah.
I would go down. Why is it turning?
Remember this. Remember here, so it's so rich. It's so rich. And then you get to the beautiful view at the end.
Oh my god. Hi,
It's going to be worth it.
Hi.
Yeah, so let me go do that run out. Run it out. It's so rich. We just turn again. And go straight.
This is. Alright, I'm tired now. Let's walk.
Morning.
Good morning. That is pretty. Okay. Little inspiration to continue.
This is actually another curve.
When we get rich, I'm gonna do them something there. Come on. From my house here. What's that? I know, like, if we have a really big tree, like an old tree, because how trees work is the older they are, or for every year that they're standing, they get a ring. Or you see a ring around them, like they grow extra layer of bark. So when you see a thick tree like that, it means it's very old. So you can count the rings to see how old the tree is.
Got it. I can't breathe. 1 moment. Water break? I don't know.
Wait, break. Right. Not run no more.
So we kind of get, what do you call it, 2 different perspectives or whatever. Because you breathe hard and me just there chill. Like, I've been doing this. I'm a pro.
Let's pretend you never saw that for real.
Alright, so when we reach a quiet zone, I know for sure, say, we're so reach.
Do you like to hike or exercise in nature? Let us know in the comments below. Guys, please hit the like button. There's so much more to come.
When I said that you have to carry me up the hill as a joke, I don't think it's a joke anymore.
I think it's going to be easier going down.
Yeah, because I'll just roll. Oh my goodness. But it's a good walk. I think if you do it like every Saturday or something, you probably won't feel that bad. You know, with some like different exercises in the week, of course.
So would you do it every Saturday? Would you devote time to do this every Saturday?
Oh, 5 o'clock.
Because it gets better. So probably the next time around you wouldn't feel like this.
That is definitely true.
Even though my first time I still didn't feel like this. You know,
you think we're that friend?
You know, you get what I mean, right? So yeah. I always find it interesting. Oh, this kind of look like a ship.
Yeah.
Yeah. I kind of feel like, so when I was at Portmore Hill, I was sweating more than this, but I kind of feel like because the environment here is cooler and we came out earlier, it makes a big difference. Like the trees are covering this, or hiding like the sun from like penetrating on us. So we don't feel much. Ooh, ooh, I try that. Ooh, ooh, that is a pond, right?
It can be a pond. It could also be a reservoir, but I can't say that I'm an expert on that.
If you look at the houses and then Pegasus for anybody, if you don't know no one else, you know it's Pegasus right there. So
I think I can see my house from here. Can you see yours?
There's a Pegasus. Let's see. What else is there? Is it that building? You have nothing to walk for me? Like the barrel? Not yet.
But I feel like, right, you see that building right as well? This building here, it's like the signature building because I see it in quite a few videos and I watch a Mountain Spring.
It's my future house.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna buy it in the future. I'm gonna get rich.
So you can live on the flat side at the top.
You know what that's so?
Yeah, because I'm going to live like on the top. May I wonder which part me to take the top or the bottom?
Well, it depends. We can share the top because it look like a nice place for events. So we look like about 3 stories we can.
1, 2, 3.
We
It's
can
actually
just
4 stories. You know?
We can
Or
just share.
5.
Like, it no matter. We can just share.
It's cool. That look like a stadium or what is it?
Which one?
You know, see like the field. Does that feel like? You see? Or this one?
Oh.
With the grass in the middle.
Yeah.
Well, that's not the best description, the grass in the middle.
Well, when I said the grass, I honestly saw it then, so.
Mountain Spring is situated within a community with their own set of rules that walkers must respect when undertaking this path.
I think the jacket too is good for like sweating, you know.
Yeah, to get those extra time in.
Let's go.
Even though we can't talk no more, we're tired.
Yeah.
Speed it up.
We can't speed up anymore. Die! Do it for 12.
Alright, more there.
That's the front of our.
Do you like hiking in nature? Let us know in the comments below.
Oh, Jesus.
Alright, so basically it's so done.
Yes, I'm going to carry up.
Morning.
What on there? Oh, wow, butterflies. Wait, I can't find this again.
Butterfly fly away. This is a view. Butterflies, birds chirping. It's definitely worth it. Eh? Well, I guess we could have just rest. Could we?
After I talk right, so you know what it is. Trust me.
Morning. You got this. You can catch me. You see the ending now. Reach. Right here.
High five. We did.
Yeah. We did it. We did it. We did it. Yeah.
Yo, it's Sable. We did it. Oh, God.
Alright, so would you recommend this to anybody?
Well, I would. Yeah, I feel like it would be a nice group activity. So you get as much as the friends as you can and then watch everybody struggle up the hill. That would be good.
Everybody.
Everybody.
You. Alright,
fine. They can watch me struggle up the hill then. But it's nice, and then if you come like really early, I think they can watch probably the sunrise from there. And I like the sunrise, the sunset, so I'd probably even come up in the evening just to see it.
Yeah.
So yeah, I like it.
So we're seeing you back next week.
Where we're going next week?
You're coming back next week?
Next week, after next week.
Alright.
Yeah. I have to rest up today.
So you wouldn't come like every week, every Saturday? I thought you said something like that.
You have to get used to it first.
But that's how you get used
I
to
want to
it.
sleep next week Saturday, but you can come back the week after next week Saturday. I have vibes up myself.
Alright.
Yeah.
So you're seeing us coming back?
We'll be back, guys.
Alright.
Hopefully I won't die on camera. I mean, I didn't die today.
Almost.
I didn't die today. Wow. Wow.
How long have you been coming here?
Alright, so I've been here, as I said, starting from October. I've been coming up here 2 times a week, mostly on a Thursday and a Saturday mornings. Yeah.
So that's before work?
Yes, it's before work. So what happens after I go down here? If you eat some breakfast before you go to work, you will definitely feel like your body has warmed up and it's refreshed, like you had coffee. It's more like a natural coffee, and you actually, when you go to work, you actually feel like you have more energy to go throughout the day. That's why a lot of people would just work out in the mornings instead of the evenings. I used to come here like years ago, but this is my 3rd time coming back since between last month and now. And I have to say, it's going to take a while to actually get used to again, but it's always a very good workout. No matter even if you walk or run, you're still going to get that good workout, and it's very good for if you want to lose weight and get a lot of core fitness and so forth. Always walking up on a hill, no matter what, is always very good workout for you. So you can see I used to do martial arts like back in the day, and alright, so I used to do Wing Lung Kung Fu, and I can say like just doing this workout after a very long time is definitely breathtaking. So I'm going to keep at it. It's best to do it like 2 times a week if you're starting off as a beginner. Take your time as usual, go at your own pace, and just meet your goals. That's it from me.
Thanks, Philip. Now it's time to head back down for even more surprises. Mountain Spring has walkers and joggers, but did you know they even had dancers? Check this out. Even Kasia got down. Who did it best? Rate their moves in the comments below. Let's go!
If you're looking for a nice workout, you can come to Mountain Spring in St. Andrew. Feel free to bring the family and of course your friends and enjoy this beautiful nature adventure. Thinking of planning a trip to Mountain Spring yourself? Don't forget to check the Google Maps location in the description below.
We ran into a celebrity on our way down. If you paid close attention in our intro, you probably would have guessed who.
This is not even our, it's just strolling.
Yeah man, just bust away from me.
We're just strolling right now.
Big up, big up, big up.
Walking, we'll get ready. Animated, yeah?
Definitely.
Let's hear.
Blessings, blessings.
You've made it to the end. That's Mountain Spring St. Andrew. Thank you for watching.